Okay, let's just jump right in. We're going to talk about how you can create some pretty incredible AI videos completely for free right on your own computer. And I mean it, no subscriptions, no waiting in line, and everything you make is totally private.
So what you're hearing right now, that's an actual clip. The dialogue, the sound, all of it, generated by one of these AI models running on a local PC. It's pretty amazing, right? The really wild part is how it can create different voices and even background sounds, just from a simple text prompt.
So that's the big question, isn't it? What if you had that kind of power sitting right there on your own desk? The freedom to just create, to experiment, to make clip after clip without ever worrying about cost or hitting some kind of limit. Well, that's exactly what we're about to set up step by step.
First things first, we gotta make sure your computer is up for the job. Now I know what you're thinking, this stuff must take a supercomputer, right? Well, while it does need some horsepower, you might be surprised. A lot of modern gaming PCs can actually handle this just fine. Let's see what you need.
Okay, here are the basics. You're definitely going to need a dedicated graphics card. And for the best compatibility, NVIDIA is really the way to go. But the most important thing, the one spec that matters more than anything else, is VRAM. You can think of it like your graphics card's personal short-term memory. And for AI, it is king.
So what's the magic number? 6 gigabytes. You need at least 6 gigs of VRAM to get in the game. Of course, more is always better. It'll help you make longer clips, and it'll be faster, but 6 is the minimum you need to get started.
Not sure how much VRAM you've got? Hey, no problem. If you're on Windows, it's super easy to check. Just follow these steps. Pop open your Task Manager with Control-Shift-Escape, click on the Performance tab, find your GPU, and look for Dedicated GPU Memory. That number right there, that's what we're looking for.
All right, so you've confirmed your rig is ready to roll. Now it's time to install the piece of software that makes this whole thing, well, not a giant headache. Let's talk about Pinokio.
So what exactly is Pinokio? Look, if you've ever tried to install AI tools from scratch, you know it can be an absolute nightmare of code, weird dependencies, and error messages. Pinokio just fixes that. It's basically an app store for AI. You find the tool you want, you click install, and it handles all the complicated, messy stuff for you. It's a lifesaver. And getting it on your computer is just as simple as it looks. You just go to their website, grab the installer for your operating system, Windows, Mac, or Linux, and run it. That's it. In just a minute or two, you'll have this incredible gateway to all kinds of AI tools ready to go.
Okay, with Pinokio installed, we've got our AI app store. Now it's time to go shopping and grab the actual creative engine that's going to generate our videos.
Once you open Pinokio, you're going to go to the Discover tab and search for a script called Wan2.2. Now think of this script as like a central dashboard. It lets you run a few different powerful video models all from one clean interface. We're going to install that, and then we'll focus on a model called LTX-2, which is just fantastic for both video and audio.
Now once it's installed, you've got a really important choice to make. You can get the full default model, which is a monster, we're talking like 40 gigabytes, or you can get the distilled version, which is about half that size. For pretty much everyone watching this on a normal gaming PC, the distilled model is the way to go. Trust me. The quality is almost identical, but it's way faster and much more stable.
Okay, the setup is done, your system is ready, Pinokio is installed, your video model is chosen. Now for the fun part. Let's actually make something.
Everything starts with the prompt. And just like with AI image generators, the more detail you give it, the better your result is going to be. Don't just say, a person walking. Describe the scene, the feeling, the action, and, as you're about to see, even the dialogue.
This is where it feels like pure magic. You can literally write dialogue right into your prompt. By typing "she says" and then putting a line in quotes, you're telling the AI to generate not just the video, but also the voice and the audio to match it. It's absolutely wild.
For your very first go, I really recommend you keep things simple. Let's get a quick win. Start with a lower resolution, something like 720p is perfect. Stick with the standard 16:9 aspect ratio and just aim for a short clip, maybe 10 seconds. This way it'll generate fast and you can make sure everything is working like it should.
So, your prompt is written, your settings are dialed in, and there's only one thing left to do. Hit that Generate button. Now, quick pro tip. The very first time you generate anything, it's going to take the longest. That's because the AI has to load that huge model into your graphics card's memory. After that first one, every other clip you make will be way faster.
And just like that, you've done it. You went from a few words of text to a full video clip with sound, all cooked up right there on your own computer. Let's just take a second to let that sink in, to appreciate what this really means.
This right here is the whole point. This is the payoff. You are now totally free from all the limits of cloud-based AI. There are no monthly bills. There are no "you've used up your credits," no waiting in queues. Everything is 100% private and secure on your machine. You own all the files, and you have total creative control.
You now have an incredibly powerful video creation studio running on your own computer, ready to turn any thought you have into moving pictures. The technical walls have come down. The only limit, really, is your own imagination. So, the real question is, what are you going to create first?